Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to recall posts you have seen on Facebook. Maybe you are scrolling through your timeline and you missed a post and you want to break that back. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So what you have to do is to open your Facebook and go to the search bar and you type posts I have seen. You can add it post I have seen today, or you can just type post I have seen and click on search. When you scroll down, you're going to see the posts that have been shown on your timeline recently. So when you scroll, you're going to find the recent post that you have seen. So that's how you recall posts you have seen on Facebook. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.